we are back for a new dish. This will be sweet, so let's start with Crème Caramel, and they call it in French it's Crème Brulee, but everybody knows it as Crème Caramel. So we have here 2 eggs, we have 1 cup of milk, we have 5 tablespoons of sugar, we have here vanilla, okay, and we have condensed milk. But I noticed some people use the normal sugar. Today we're gonna try it with condensed milk, and let's see how it will look like and what's the taste. So let's start, guys. So for this one, you just keep it aside. First thing, we need to have a container to cook the sugar first. So we will put here the sugar. We will put some water here. See how it look like. Not that much. And we just watch it to see when it will be, you know, like caramelized. So that's the one, the cover that will be on top. So let's see, guys, after maybe 15 minutes. It depends. Let's see. Here the sugar is boiling and we are watching it. So if you don't watch it, it will really burn, or it will be, you know, the color is different and you cannot use it later on. So we are still waiting for it. Always you can use a spoon, or you can just use a container like this. It's more safe when you mix it like this because it has this curve, will not go out. 4 minutes, so actually I said 15 minutes, but it will take like 10 to 11 minutes, not that 15 minutes. It comes here, and then I put some water just to cool it down. But you have to be careful because it's still to boil more. See? So we need to make it to cool it down by putting a little bit water. See, this is how it look like. So we keep this one aside. I just break the eggs is here. We're gonna just mix it together. Shake it well. Now we're gonna put the vanilla. Gonna put 1 teaspoon, you know, for the egg, to remove the taste of the egg. We're gonna put the condensed milk. You have to mix. You can put half of this one. Mix together. getting thicker. And put the milk, then we mix. We have our container here. We're gonna put this. We'll try this if it will work with this container. We will strain this one, then we will be back to it. So I use this one to strain it. It's very thin, okay, to remove the excess of the egg. You know, if something went down, so it will be totally clear. Here we have the hot water and our small paste ready, and then we strain this one already. So put it here after making this coat. This one now. Something very important, we need to put the aluminum foil to cover it one by one. Just put the hot water. Then we're gonna put in the oven for 35 minutes. The temperature will be 250, and then after 35 minutes it will be cooked. We will show you the finished product when it's cooked. Guys, here our creme caramel ready and looks lovely. Looks so nice. Look, I did not make it that much high, so it looks amazing. Look at the height, look at the color. The color, it's very nice. It's so attractive and so tasty and yummy. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you like it and you try it at home. Give it a try and try until you succeed. And please share and like, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next dish and a new creation.